PET stain saturation in the living room and normal soil just around the house. Using 20 volume peroxide mixed with undoes it. Already sprayed all this area. All this area was pet urine. So I already pre-treated all that just by spraying with this deal here. The reason why I mixed the undoes it with the 20 volume is because undoes it has a deodorizer also and saves the undoes it by just adding a 20 volume to it. Make it go a lot longer, a lot more ways with a gallon of that stuff if you dilute it with 20 volume. So, all right. So I went ahead and sprayed everywhere I can see pet stains. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit this area right here with the deodorizer, and I'm doing low moisture today, guys. I don't do too many pet stain carpets like this with low moisture. I usually recommend steam, but she really wants low moisture, and she said if it feels like she needs steam later, she'll go ahead and go with that. So awesome customer, she's really nice, and so I'm gonna do my best. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I'm just gonna do this area with the deodorizer. Not a whole lot. I'm actually adding this to it for free for her. She gave me already paid me, gave me a $50 tip, so I mean, that's the least I can do. Alright, so I'll let that dwell. I'm going to start at the back of the house. Once I get to this, it'll be plenty dwell time before I extract with the bonnet. Extraction is when you take something from one area and remove it to another area, right? So when I'm laying down the pre-spray, I'm extracting it with the bonnet. It's soaking it up, okay? All the pre-spray is getting soaked up and removed from the carpet along with the soil, okay? All right, stay tuned. All right, so now I went through the whole house and pre-sprayed with carpet detail. It's an encapsulation type of solution. Anything left over will commence to clean, and then you vacuum everything up later if anything's left over, right? I'm going to extract as much as I can with the bonnet, but it's not going to leave any soapy residue. And I use this because I'm using a little bit of undoes it, right? And undoes it can leave a little residue, but I'm going over it with the carpet detail, which is an encapsulation, so it should help with any residue being left over. Okay, so I'm gonna hit these areas a little bit better. Now, this customer's been using a company for a while now, and she just says the last few times it seems like the carpets are wetter and wetter and wetter, and she just wanted to try me out because she's heard of me, building a reputation around here. And if I do a good job, she's gonna refer me to her friends. So, all right. I did miss a urine spot in one of these rooms. I think it right there. So I mixed about 75%, about 80% 20 volume to about 20% undoes it. And I can go for any other deodorizer, urine remover, you know, like Unleashed or whatever. It'll save you a lot of money, guys. So, not a chemist, but being there's peroxide in those products already, all I'm doing is adding it. So I don't think there'll be any explosions. All right, I'm gonna do all the pre-scrubbing with my multi-wash here. You have the side brushes on there for just a little more distance, you know, a little area coverage. All right, let me get started. So I did do a pre-scrub on, or pre-vac over the whole house before I showed up, or before I showed up. That'd be great, huh? Magical. Before I started anything, when you're doing low moisture, you want to make sure you get as much soil, loose stuff up as possible. That's like one of the most important things in low moisture. Cleaning, VLM, some call it. I call it low moisture. You know, when I show up to a job now, I give away a free bottle of spotter a lot of the times, nothing out, and my card. So I used to do it at the end. I used to do it when I was done. Okay, doing it before you even start the job shows a lot to the customer that you're already giving. I mean, how many carpet cleaners do that, guys? Really? If you're getting anything to be at the end of the job, you've already been paid. So this lady, you know, first thing I did is give her a bottle of spotter and gave her some tips on local stuff to buy, like 20 volume, before I even started the job. I was charging her $200 for this job. She wrote a check for $250, you know, and left. So I'm gonna lock it up when I'm done. You know, it just shows a lot, and I really do believe if you're hoping for a tip, that's the best way to get it. It's not like I did it for that, but it's just separating you from all the other carpet cleaners. Now look at this area, right? And look at the carpet. Looks great. We'll go over with the Bonnet, and we're good to go. Alright, I'm doing some extraction. There was a subscriber or a viewer that said I was using the wrong terminology on the extraction when I was doing low moisture. Maybe I am, but that's just my way of thinking. I don't think so. You know, I had a subscriber. I've been emailing back and forth, talked to him a few times. He 18 years old. Kid's 18 years old. His name's William. A real go-getter. He's seen one of my videos. I think the one video where you start a carpet cleaning business for $500 or less. And got a hold of me and said he already purchased all the stuff he needed. So he bought the orbiter, all the recommended solutions I recommended in that video and other videos, and he's going for it. You know, I mean that's pretty awesome. I mean, sometimes I got a kid that's, you know, early 20s. You know, and a lot of his friends are just, they don't have any motivation in life. you know. No, they expect everything just to come to them, right? And it's hard to instill that into people. But some people are just, I don't know, self-motivated, and this kid at 18 years old is doing more than I did at 18-year-old any day, you know. I'm not saying I was any different when I was younger either, you know. I wasn't. It took me a while. But once you learn it, you like to pass on the good news. There's things you can do to make your life a little bit better and comfortable. If you notice, I'm doing this area last. That's the heavy PET saturation area. We do the rest of this carpet with this bonnet right here, this side of this bonnet. All right, then I'm going to go over that spot with the same side, and then I'm going to saturate it again with the carpet detail. Then I'm going to flip the bonnet and pick everything up. I know a lot of people say, oh, you're just spreading the pee all over the place, you know. And really, you're soaking it up. But there's ways you can minimize the chance of doing that by doing what I'm doing. So I already cleaned the whole carpet here. By the way, I already did all the back rooms. Now I'm going to go over this area. Okay. So any urine that people believe that are just being spread around, it's only being spread around in the same area where it was. I'm not dragging it around the rest of the carpet. By treating it with all the stuff that I treated, it's killing the bacteria, you know, also. Now I can tell by smelling it, the deodorizer and 20 volume did a good job, because when you wet that stuff, I mean, you guys know if you're carpet cleaners, it'll slap you in the face as soon as you get it wet. Okay, so it looks great. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spray that again, and then I'm going to flip the bonnet. Stay tuned. New bonnet. I'm just going to do this rug right here, and then done with cleaning. So the guys that are starting out with the low moisture using the Oric's an awesome tool, you know. I mean, if you don't have much finances and you're ready to get out there and start cleaning, go ahead and go with the Oric. But I do suggest after that, invest in equipment, right? And if you're going to stick to low moisture, get one of these also. Okay, this one right here was $700. Not bad at all. One of the cheapest ones you're going to find by Triple S. I like the weight behind it. Alright? The weight behind it to me makes it to where it's cleaning better. And then want to get if you want to go into offering both services, get the portable. You know, they're offering low moisture and hot water extraction. Once you build your business, then move on up. You know, invest in your business, keep that side job or keep that 9 to 5 until you're ready. Okay. While you're working that 9 to 5, keep investing your money into your business, equipment, whatever it is, till you get that clientele, right? Should take about a year or so, 2 years, year and a half, to start building up repeat customers, building a good name for yourself, referrals, you know, references. That's when it's time to go ahead and make it a full-time job. So that's what I did. You know, I'm not preaching something I haven't did. I started working a full-time job, 8 hours a day, sometimes 10 hours a day. Got off work, booked 1 job, 2 jobs a week. I mean, you know, extra what, $400 a week was bringing me. You know, I kept doing that, investing in my business. Pretty soon it got to a point to where, you know what, I'm making more money carpet cleaning. Then I moved on, you know, started my own carpet cleaning business. So anybody who's trying to get into the carpet cleaning business, there is no get rich quick, okay? People who do that are just lucky, you know, freak of nature, just lucky. Never think like that. Get into this business, give yourself a time frame, a reasonable one, like 2 years. And if it happens quicker, then it happens quicker. And actually it did happen quicker. I gave myself 2 years, and I did it in a year and a half. All right, I went quick, really fast. So just think about, if you don't step forward and go ahead and go for what you want to do right now, in 2 years you look back and say, man, I messed up. I should have started 2 years ago. So, all right, hold on. What I'm doing now is raking it, standing up those fibers, so it dries quicker. Beautiful. All right, let me continue. All right, guys, all finished up. Carpets look beautiful. I just did it in the walkway here. And around the bed and everything in here. I figure out how to turn on these fans. There we go. Kind of low, but all right. Let me go in there and change it. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. One more time, subscribe. All right, like, comment if you've got any questions, and stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for watching.